can you get money from your insurance and the other driver's insurance, essentially like double dipping in the compensation?
I wouldn't consider it double dipping at all. It's really getting you full compensation. So there's a couple of different insurance policies in play when you're involved in an accident. One is the person who caused the accident. Also, the owner of the vehicle that the driver was driving is also legally responsible as well. And your insurance policy may actually have additional coverage as well through underinsured motorist coverage. And underinsured motorist coverage is additional coverage that is provided if the person that hit you doesn't have enough insurance.
Okay.
And that can really protect you in Florida because bodily injury coverage isn't required. And so you need to protect yourself with adding that underinsured motorist coverage on your policy. And so it's important to get a lawyer because there may be even more coverage available than you even know. So what if the driver was driving for a company? Mm-hmm. And we see a lot of rideshare as well. And so that might be an additional source of recovery that we'll look into.
So would there be limits to that? If I'm going with their insurance, my insurance, there's a few different parts at play. Would there be limits to what I could recover from those different sources?
Yes. And so there will be an insurance policy and the limits of that insurance policy, what they'll pay out from an accident. But that policy could be different depending on the party mm-hmm. involved. And like I said, if the other driver was on the job, that could open up an additional coverage through their employer. And so we need to look at all those different policies so that we can properly advise you.
And after there's a resolve, I guess, how does the coordination of those benefits or different parties work to get that payout or have that payout go where it needs to go?
Yes. So as an attorney, we will make independent claims. So we'll make a claim from the at fault. We'll make a claim with your policy for the underinsured motorist coverage, and it'll lead to one settlement for you. And the way we would look at it is getting your full value. So the full value of your case based off of all the policies.